Energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners in Rowlett, where warm summers and occasional temperature swings can impact indoor comfort and utility costs. Windows play a major role in how well a home maintains its temperature, and outdated or poorly performing windows can lead to significant energy loss. Vinyl windows have become a popular solution because they offer a combination of insulation, durability, and low maintenance that helps improve overall energy performance. One of the primary ways vinyl windows support energy efficiency is through their insulated frame design. Unlike older materials that can transfer heat easily, vinyl frames are built to reduce thermal conductivity. This means they help keep hot air outside during the summer and retain cool, conditioned air inside. In Rowlett's climate, this insulation makes a noticeable difference in maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature without overworking the air conditioning system. Another key feature is the use of multi-pane glass. Most modern vinyl windows include double or even triple pane glass, which creates insulating layers between the panes. These layers often contain gas that slows down heat transfer, making it more difficult for outdoor temperatures to affect the interior of the home. This added insulation helps reduce energy usage and keeps indoor temperatures more consistent throughout the day. Vinyl windows also excel in air sealing. One of the biggest sources of energy loss in a home is air leakage around windows. Older windows may develop gaps or worn seals that allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. Vinyl windows are designed with tight-fitting frames and advanced weather stripping that create a strong seal when closed. This minimizes drafts and helps maintain a stable indoor environment. Glass technology further enhances the energy efficiency of vinyl windows. Many options include coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter. This helps reduce heat gain during sunny days, which is especially important in Rowlett's warm climate. At the same time, these coatings allow homeowners to enjoy bright interiors without increasing indoor temperatures or relying heavily on artificial lighting. Another benefit is reduced strain on HVAC systems. When windows provide proper insulation and sealing, heating and cooling systems do not have to work as hard to maintain the desired temperature. This not only lowers energy bills but also extends the lifespan of HVAC equipment. Over time, the savings from improved efficiency can make vinyl windows a cost-effective investment. Durability also contributes to long-term energy efficiency. Vinyl windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and moisture damage, which means they maintain their performance over time. In contrast, materials that deteriorate can create gaps or lose their insulating properties, reducing efficiency. Vinyl's ability to withstand changing weather conditions ensures consistent performance year after year. Proper installation is essential to maximize these benefits. Even high-quality vinyl windows will not perform as intended if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that the windows are aligned, sealed, and fitted properly within the frame. This prevents air leaks and ensures that all energy-saving features function effectively. Maintenance is another area where vinyl windows stand out. They require minimal upkeep compared to other materials, which helps preserve their energy efficiency. Regular cleaning and occasional inspection of seals are usually enough to keep them performing well. This ease of maintenance ensures that homeowners can continue to benefit from energy savings without extensive effort. In addition to functional benefits, vinyl windows can enhance the overall comfort of a home. By reducing drafts, controlling temperature, and improving insulation, they create a more stable and pleasant indoor environment. This makes living spaces more enjoyable throughout the year, regardless of outdoor conditions. Vinyl windows also support sustainability by reducing energy consumption. Lower energy usage means a smaller environmental impact, making them a smart choice for homeowners who want to improve efficiency while being mindful of energy use. In conclusion, vinyl windows are an effective way to support energy efficiency in Rowlett homes. Through insulated frames, multi-pane glass, tight seals, and durable construction, they help reduce energy loss and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. When combined with professional installation and simple maintenance, vinyl windows provide long-lasting performance that enhances comfort, lowers utility costs, and adds value to the home.